Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Klaviyo flows, automate e-commerce emails step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the Klaviyo website URL and press enter. On the Klaviyo homepage, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first text field. Next, input your password in the second text field. Once you've filled in both fields, click the login button. After logging in, you will be taken to your Klaviyo dashboard. To access flows, navigate to the left sidebar. Look for the flows option and click on it. Here, you will see a list of existing flows or an option to create a new flow. To create a new flow, click on the Create Flow button. You may choose to start from scratch or select a pre-built template. If you select a template, follow the on-screen prompts to customize it. Once you've customized your flow, review the setup carefully. Make sure your triggers and actions are properly configured. Click on Save to ensure your changes are stored. To activate your flow, toggle the status from draft to live. After activation, your flow will run automatically. You can monitor its performance by navigating back to the flows list and selecting your flow. This will allow you to view metrics and make adjustments as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.